In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Meta Business Manager. This verification process is important because it ensures that your business is recognized as legitimate by Meta, which can unlock a range of features and enhance your overall presence on the platform. Now let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get your Meta Business Manager verified. First, you'll want to head over to the Security Center in your Meta Business Suite. This is your go-to hub for managing the security settings for your Meta-related activities. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start Verification. It might be a button or a link, but either way, it will be clearly labeled. Clicking on this will initiate the verification process. As the process begins, you'll encounter a series of prompts designed to gather essential information about your business. These will include basic details like your business's name, address, and phone number. It's important to have all this information accurate and up to date to avoid any delays or issues with your verification. Following the initial information gathering, the next step is to upload supporting documents. These documents are critical in substantiating your business's identity and legitimacy. A common example of what you might need to upload is a business license. Have that ready and make sure it's in a digital format that's easy to upload, like a PDF or a clear image file. After uploading your documents, the final step is to confirm your connection to the business. There are a few methods you can use to do this. One popular option is email verification, where you'll receive a code or link in your business-associated email account. Follow the instructions in the email to complete this part. Alternatively, you might choose domain verification if your website is a central part of your business's identity on Meta. This typically involves adding a small piece of code to your website's backend for Meta to detect and verify. As you progress through these steps, make sure to follow any additional instructions given by Meta closely. Each prompt is there to ensure that the information you provide meets all necessary criteria for verification. The steps might vary slightly based on particular circumstances or additional updates on Meta's platform, so keeping an eye on any platform announcements can be helpful. Once every step is completed, your verification request will be submitted to Meta for review. This part may take some time, so a little patience will go a long way. While you wait, it's a great time to ensure all other aspects of your Meta Business Suite are up to date and functioning the way you want them to. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to getting your Meta Business Manager verified, paving the way for a more secure and recognized presence on Meta's platform. Good luck, and thanks for joining me to learn about this crucial aspect of managing your online business presence.